Hello everyone, today I will show you how to buy and equip Roblox emotes. And here's how it is done. First, head over to the marketplace and click on it. Under category, find the animations tab. Then scroll down and click on emotes. This will take you to a list of all available emotes you can buy. If you want to preview an emote, just click the play button to see what it looks like in action. Once you have purchased the emotes you want, go to your avatar settings, click on animations, then select emotes. You will see a list of all the emotes you own. To equip them, click the equip emotes button, and then choose the order you want them in. I like to put my most used emotes at the top, so I will place my favorite fashionable pose at number 1. You can organize them however you like, but be careful not to equip the same emote twice. You can only have 8 emotes equipped at a time, so choose wisely. When you are in a game that supports emotes, you can use them by pressing the key bind. For me, it is the period key, and then the corresponding number for the emote. For example, pressing 1 will trigger the emote you assign to slot 1. And that is everything you need to know about how to buy and equip Roblox emotes. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.